Here's how to create a new password for Fantasy Premier League. So for that, you can go to its official website, which is premierleague.com, or you can also use the application. Then after, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner after you log into your specific account where you want to create a new password for. From the menu that appears, you need to select My PL Settings. Go ahead and select it. Now from the left-hand side, go to Account Security option, which is below the email preferences. Under Account Security, you'll get two different sections of current password and adding a new password to your account. So go ahead and enter your current password associated with your account, and then after, create a new password. Remember that your new password must be 8 characters long, and it must have the mix of uppercase and lowercase, along with at least one number and one special character. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on Save. Additionally, you can also enable two-factor authentication on your account. For that, click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication option, and it will take you to a new page where you can go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to set it up. So that's it. That's how you create a new password for your Fantasy Premier League account. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.